In this video, I'll show you how to invite another user into your Xero organization and, more importantly, how to choose the right access for them. You may need to invite your accountant, bookkeeper, an admin team member, a payroll officer, or someone else who helps manage your financials. To get started, click your organization name, then go to Settings and select Users. From here, choose Invite a User. Enter the person's name and email address. The next step is choosing their permissions, and this is the part that you should consider carefully. Don't automatically give every user full access. Their permissions should match the work they actually do. For example, your bookkeeper or accountant needs broader accounting access so they can review transactions, make corrections, manage account settings, or prepare your tax returns. An admin team member may only need access to create invoices or enter supplier bills. Someone managing payroll must have payroll admin access, but they may not need access to all of your financial information. Before selecting the permissions, always ask 3 questions. What does this person need to see? What do they need to create or change? And what information do they not need access to? In advanced painting, we are going to invite the accountant, so I'm going to select the broadest level of permissions. In a real Xero file, only select the access that is appropriate for that particular user. Once you have chosen the relevant permissions, send the invitation. The invited person will receive an email from Xero and will need to accept it within 14 days. If they don't have a Xero account, they will be guided through the process of creating their login and setting up two-factor authentication. If they already use Xero, like in this case, they accept the invitation and log in using their existing credentials. Once the invitation has been accepted, they will be able to access your Xero file according to the permissions you selected. Because Xero is cloud-based, you and the invited user can work in the file at the same time. The main message of this lesson is simple. Invite the right people and give each person the right level of access. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my channel for more practical Xero guidance. See you in the next one.